Bismillah Rahman Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I am Zaima Ismail from Divisional Public School and Intermediate College, Lahore. It's our second lecture of Computer Science for Class 7. In our first lecture, we have covered the following topics of Unit 1: definition of computer, components of computer, definition of software, and definition of hardware. In today's lecture, following are the students' learning outcomes: input devices, output devices, storage devices, communication devices, and system unit. All these are hardware. So let's start. Page number 3. Input devices. Devices which are used to enter data into a computer are known as input devices. Like all the devices, by using them we enter data into the computer are called input devices. For example, keyboard. If we have to enter data in the form of text, we will use keyboard as an input device. Second example is mouse. By using mouse, we give different commands to the computer by clicking or double clicking. Scanner is another example of input device. If we have to enter data in the form of images, we use scanner. One more example is digital camera. Images can also be entered into the computer by using digital camera. Moreover, digital camera can also be used to enter data in the form of videos. I hope students you have learned about input devices. After discussing input devices in detail, here is a question for you. Which input device is used to enter voice into the computer? Okay, students, think and write answer in your notebook. The correct answer will be given to you in the next lecture. Output devices. Devices which are used to display or present output are called output devices. By using these devices, we can get output. For example, monitor. Monitor shows output on its screen. Printer. By using printer, we can get output in the form of hard copy. Speakers. We can get output in the form of voice by using speakers. Storage devices. Storage devices hold data and instructions permanently. So these devices are used to save our data. Here is a question that why we save our data. Definitely, one purpose is to save our data for later use, and secondly, we may want to transfer our data from one place to another place. So for these purposes, we need to save the data in these devices. Here are some examples of storage devices. Floppy disk. In 6th class, you have studied about floppy disk in a very detailed manner. Nowadays, this storage device is not used to save the data. Hard disk. It is used to store a large amount of data. It is fixed inside the system unit. CD/DVD. We can save any form of data into CDs and DVDs, but mostly it is used to save audios and videos. USB flash memory. A very common storage device to save our data nowadays. We can save any form of data into this device. Floppy disk, CD/DVD, USB are portable devices mostly used to transfer data. Now, communication devices. Devices which are used to communicate and connect a computer with other computers are known as communication devices. So with the help of these devices, 2 or more computers can be connected or communicate with each other. One example of communication device is modem. You know there are 2 types of modem. Internal modem. It is fixed inside the system unit, and external modem. We know by using modems, computers are connected over internet. Now page number 4. In this page, here is the definition of system unit. System unit is a box where processing takes place. It consists of the main circuit board, processor, power supply, storage devices, etc. Let's explain it. Here is the system unit, and there are different devices connected with each other inside system unit like motherboard, processor, power supply, hard disk, RAM, modem, CD/DVD drive, graphic card. All these are some devices which are fixed inside system unit in a manageable way. Here is the internal view of a system unit. Here in this box there is a power supply. Here you can see the fan. Different cards are placed here, and there are also different cables. CD/DVD drive. In this box there is the hard drive, and here is different power cords and ribbons you can see, and here's also a motherboard behind these cables. System unit can be found in 2 shapes: desktop shape toy shape. Mostly this toy shape of system unit is used. Dear students, it was our today's lecture. I hope all the concepts about different hardware have been cleared to you. Now, here is a short assignment for you. Differentiate between hardware and software. Differentiate between input devices and output devices. You can get the answers of these questions with the help of lecture number 1 and 2, or you may consult your book. You just have to take any notebook, write question, and give answer in your own words. You don't need to write any day or date. Thank you. Till the next lecture, take care and Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching the video.